Hey friends! Today, we will draw a sparrow and learn about its top 5 amazing facts. Sparrows are tiny, chirpy birds with soft feathers, quick hops, and the most cheerful songs in your backyard.
Cool!
Did you know sparrows take dust baths to keep their feathers clean? Keep watching for more chirpy fun facts about these little feathered friends.
Huh?
Watch as our sparrow magically appears on your screen, coming to life step by step. Amazing! Sparrows are lively little birds that live close to people all around the world. With their round bodies, short beaks, and busy wings, they're nature's tiny neighborhood musicians.
Yeah, right!
Here are some fun facts about sparrows. Fact number 1. Sparrows can fly up to 24 miles per hour. That's faster than you can ride your bike. Fact number 2. They recognize human faces and remember who fills their bird feeders. Fact number 3. A sparrow's heart beats 800 times a minute when flying. That's 13 times faster than yours. Fact number 4. They build messy but cozy nests using twigs, feathers, and even paper or string. Fact number 5. There are over 50 kinds of sparrows. Some have cute black bibs or striped heads. Hope you're enjoying this art so far.
Yeah!
Oh yeah.
If you're loving this little bird drawing, share it with your friends. Let's create a whole flock of young artists. We've got step-by-step drawing playlists for animals, fruits, and plants, and Disney characters, along with some interesting fun facts. Subscribe for more creative adventures. Our sparrow has soft brown feathers, a gray belly, and black streaks on its wings. Some have rusty caps or white cheeks. Each one is special. Wow! Our sparrow drawing is finished, and it looks absolutely fantastic! If you had fun drawing today, give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more chirpy art adventures! See you next time! Bye-bye!